Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. I just want to give you guys a little quick tip. If you guys run into this situation, it might be a little bit scary for you guys. You guys run into this situation, and this situation is if you get that message that says key is not detected. This is for Lexus owners, IS, ES, RX, NX, LS, whichever Lexus models you have out there work for. This fix is going to work for all the Lexus models. Here's what you do if you get the key is not detected on the dash. A lot of times in that situation, you probably think that there might be something off with your car, and you're thinking probably, oh, it's going to cost you a lot of money. It's going to cost you a lot of time. You're going to have to get a tow truck. It's, one of these situations where it's worrisome because it's saying your key's not detected. You're not going to be able to start the car. You might be able to get into the car with the manual key that's on your remote, but your remote's not going to be working. You're pressing all the buttons on the remote and you're getting nothing from the car's not responding at all. You can't get your car started. I'm going to tell you guys how you can get your car started real easy, real fast. You guys are in one of these situations. Excuse me, guys. So if you're in this situation, here's what you can do. All right, most of the time with this situation, your fob key battery is probably dead. All right, there's a battery in your fob key that's dead. Now there's a chance that your fob key might have issues, but most of the time it's your fob key battery that's dead. All right, what you want to do is you want to look at your remote. You're going to open up your remote. There's going to be a flat battery in the remote. All right, in this situation, it's not a hard thing to do. Just take the battery out, go to a CVS, Walgreens, any of these places, match up the battery, get a battery, swap it out, and most of the time, it'll work. After that, however, if it doesn't work, what you might want to do is you might want to get some rubbing alcohol, a tissue, and pretty much just clean up the inside. Like I said, swap out the battery again, pop it in together, and see if it works. Now, if it doesn't work in that situation, I've seen remotes go out. All right, going out meaning that when you're hitting the rubber portion of it, for whatever reason, it's not actually touching. It's not actually touching the main board. So what you can do is you can pretty much try to push the remote on different angles, but for the most part, that's for your that's for getting in and out of the car. But for the most part, if you change the battery, your car should be reading it, and you should be able to start your car. Now, if you're not able to start your car in that situation, it might be your fob key that might have a problem. If you guys have a fob key, most of the time these cars have push start. All right, in this situation, what you might want to do is if you're in a situation where you can't get a battery, you're out in the woods somewhere, wherever you are, you're out in some far off place that's not close to a store, or you're late at night and you're in a situation where you don't have a 24-hour pharmacy that's open. What you want to do is you want to take that remote, and what you want to do is you want to use the corner of the remote and use it to push start your car with the corner of the remote. All right, or try that. Most of the time, there is enough power, there is enough of a charge within the vicinity of that push start that would send out a little bit of electricity into the remote so that it bounces back to the remote when you actually push the push start. And you should be able to start your car in that situation. All right. Hope this helps you guys out. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give a thumbs up. All that good stuff. All right, guys. Take care.